Hello, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to use SuperBoard to make corner curve, alright, or curve corner. Alright, let's get into it. So you can go system cabinet, you can go kitchen also can. So you go type here super panel, super, okay, or you can find here called special board. Then come here others. Okay, super panels here, right? So to in the corner to make it a SuperBoard, right? So you can just right click, press B, right click and okay, or you press here lah, right? Because by default is M, so press here B, okay. From here you right click, okay. Come this one, you press B, right? Okay, select, okay. You right click, this one, edit panel option. Okay, so for this one you just select here, you select this one. Okay, you come all the way down here. Right, once confirmed you press save, return. Okay, then make your SuperBoard rotation. Right, so press back this one, press M. Okay, press back M. From here you press Z, you rotate. Okay, 90. Okay, then from here you increase the height to 2800. Okay, or 3000. Okay, then let's say you put the color, you change the color. Then color. Okay, once you got, there you go. So you use SuperBoard to make a curve corner, right? Hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.